Let's write a C program. I am here writing the preprocessor directive include stdio.h. So this line is a preprocessor directive. That is include here is the preprocessor directive which is used for adding standard input output header file to our program. And every preprocessor directive or the adding of header files statement starts with hash symbol. So hash include stdio.h will add standard input output header file to our program. Then I will be writing void main, which is starting point of execution. And void here is the return type of main function. Main is the default function which has to be present compulsory in every C program. And whatever present in main will be executed. So I am writing here printf hi. So in the parenthesis, whatever string we write, that gets printed on the output screen. Printf is the standard output function of C language, which is present in stdio.h. That's the reason we are including this header file to our program. Now void main is the starting point of execution. Actual program execution starts from this line or from this function. So in this function, we have only one statement that prints hi on output screen. So to execute this program in dev C++ ID, we need to first save it. So it is already saved with test1.c name, the file. And then I'm now executing it by going to execute option. First compile it to check for errors. If there are no errors or warnings, then you can run the program. Now, when I run the program, I get hi printed on output screen. So thanks for watching the video and please do subscribe the channel for more updates on programming languages.